Well, it's been quite a while since I made a video. Here I am, back on the screen. To be fair, boys, I've been doing quite a lot of stuff. A lot of working. I've got something in the works that I'm really excited to show you guys as well. I've got a leak. It's a very common fault on the M54 platform. It's the oil filter housing gasket. Now when this goes, oil and coolant can mix together. Oil can seep out of where you actually put the oil in, and it just makes a right mess, and obviously it's not good for it. So we're just heading up to see my boy Dave. Dave runs or co-owner in a company called Dave Fab. They specialise in MX-5s. They do loads of different little bits and stuff like that. And I met him through my current job, which is working for Ram Air. Just gonna jump in there, guys, because basically I've had an issue with my microphone during this whole video. Really frustrating. I'm going through editing it right now and it just sounds muffled. Have a little listen to it. This is Dave. What's up? So yeah, basically what we're going to be doing is the whole thing is muffled, so I'm going to literally just talk you through exactly what you can see on the camera. So yeah, that's Dave. Like I said, Dave works at Dave Fab, and this is the oil filter housing. So basically this is where you change your oil, this is where the oil filter is, and there's actually a sandwich, and the sandwiches together, and it leaks out. Also, I got something from America, which is like all the nuts and bolts on the gaskets, and it even came with like a little sensor as well. Most people just replace the gaskets, but I'm replacing not only the gaskets but all the nuts and bolts, and also there's a brand new sensor in there as well. I just thought if I'm going to do it, might as well do the whole lot, do you know what I mean? And then finally, as part of this video, was an install of the Forge Motorsport hard pipe and Bluff valve kit for the 335i, which obviously I'm unboxing here. This is what I'm going to take out. You need a gauge. The gauge that I literally just showed on the camera, that's to test the amount of inches of mercury, negative pressure or something. You need to kind of connect this to a special pipe that comes off of your inlet manifold, and this is to actually test the amount of pressure or PSI that it's given off. Forge Motorsport give you a table to look at, and depending on obviously what your figure says, you need to have the correct spring and shim set up, and therefore it's going to hold the boost correctly. I'll pipe out of the way first. Alright boys, to show you what Forge has sent me. This thing is beautiful, absolutely amazing, the quality is good. I had one of these actually on my previous 335i, and obviously I'm going back to them. Comes with everything you need, the silicone coupler, little bottle opener as well, which is pretty awesome. Clamps. Obviously being a twin turbo, you're gonna have to cap the two recirc valves. Oh, that's it, yeah, recirc, yeah. This thing. So nice. While Dave's doing that, well, about half an hour or something to do all that?
Yeah, mate, 20 minutes.
Obviously by that he means a hell of a lot longer than that. But while he's doing that, I'm gonna do the wing mirrors. So at this point here, I'm talking through what, according to Forge's table, which spring and shim setup you need. My one needed a, I think it was a blue spring with a 6.3mm shim, I believe. So it was a case of taking apart the blow-off valve, taking the top off of it, and then you can actually access the spring that was in there as standard, which they give you, which is a yellow one, and the standard shim. Take both of those out, re-grease them up, put them in correctly, and then obviously you can reassemble, clamp it all down. Ring mirrors done. There's a bit of carbon there. The only thing that really lets these down is this is like a satin black, and obviously it doesn't match the gloss black. Eventually it might be something that I might look to try and get wrapped, but as you can imagine, a point like this would be extremely hard to obviously wrap.
Coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again, state your name, been dope on flame, I just switched the lanes, damn he did it again, I just flipped the pain, stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything, swimming you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming, I put my low racks on it, I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it, see the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin, money clip I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags.
Ready?
Coming in,
Oh, Jesus, what a pickle that is. Yeah. I wonder which seal went then. You reckon it's the bottom one?
I think that one had gone, but the bottom one.
Oh, so they've both gone?
Yeah. That's the one, that front one's the one that gets that oil there.
A little bit of seepage, boys, a little bit of seepage. Just getting rid of all the gum and everything just to make it nice and sealed. Well, so it's got a nice seal, right?
Yeah, mate.
How's it looking? Is there anything I need to be wary of?
Nah, mate, we're all good.
All looks good?
Yeah.
Nice, mate.
It's good. So, it's pretty rigid.
Yeah.
You see where it's all frayed around the edges?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where it's gone. It's gone super hot. It's just, rubber's gone weird. It's basically lost all its like properties of tension. So it's just
oh, that's because it's quite floppy.
Yeah, mate.
Baby. So in this bit, I'm simply talking about how to do it. There's a couple of Allen key bolts that you have to just undo around the outside of it, replacing it with the blue spring, and also one of the shims according to obviously what the table says. But yeah, this is how you do it. Real simple, but very important. So another really important thing I've seen people do as well, it's a part of the coolant system. There's a plastic hose that is used to connect a part of the water system, and over time it becomes very hot, becomes worn and brittle. This is it here, you can see it on here. Look how bad it looks, it's all gummed up, it looks like it's about to break at any point. So I bought a replacement I think it's just made of aluminium, but it's a really important thing that you should always do, because if you break it, then you're not gonna have a good time. You're gonna go for like,
you get yours blue from the big Black Mamba company or whatever it was.
No. Do you know where I got this from? Alibaba land to it.
Mate, I got mine, but mine was from the Black Mamba or something shop.
What is that?
I don't know, your missus shop's there, mate.
Taking it over. Oh god. That's literally it there. Nice little aluminium upgrade. Are a bad man. Just when we thought it was going smooth, we drop a washer. We're like, ah, it's all right. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about a washer. And then we drop a nut, and the nut is something that holds the manifold on. So we're like, ah, we kind of need that one. We're gonna try and find it with my long magnet stick. So he's fishing around in there with the magnet stick, and then he comes out of the engine bay, and suddenly he's not got the magnet stick. I was like, where's the magnet stick? Oh, we got to get the under tray off, mate.
That out my hand, mate.
Oh,
like a young salmon.
How'd you lose that in there? What we got here then, mate? So this is the PCV valve, yeah? Yep. So yeah, basic maintenance suggests that this part gets replaced. It can cause smoking from the exhaust, etc. This is the new one, replacing the plastic with a nice metal one. Don't know. Right, boys, here we go. First start. I'm really nervous. We sure we've done everything, yeah?
Yeah, mate.
Woo! Get there! Whoa, and then smoke come up. Anyway, I'm going to round up the video here. Thanks to Dave, much appreciated for your help, mate. Appreciate that. Probably be back here soon doing an oil catch can as well. And also, if you're new to the channel, like and subscribe, please. These videos take me hours to do. A lot of money and effort goes into these videos, and I just want obviously you guys to enjoy it. So if you do enjoy it, smash the like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.